for this. Let's just go through each of the items. Number one, looking glass self refers to all but one of the following. A, image known to others. B, importance of the judgment of others. C, perceived kind of personality. Or D, personality substitution. So the answer is D, personality substitution. So again, the looking glass self involves a person's image known to others, where we consider how others see us, even if it isn't fully accurate. And it also involves the importance of the judgment of others, our interpretations of the judgment of others. So this is central to the concept. We care about other people's opinions and use them to shape our self-image. And it also involves perceived kind of personality. So we develop our sense of self based on how we believe others perceive our personality. The one thing that isn't part of the looking glass self is the personality substitution. So it doesn't involve substituting our personality. It's about how our existing personality is shaped by our perception of others' views. Number two, personality is defined as A, cluster of attitudes. B, adolescent age. C, social adjustment. Or D, biological change in body. This should be pretty obvious. Okay, so personality is a cluster of attitudes. So personality is defined as the set of habitual behaviors or attitudes, cognitions, and emotional patterns that evolve from biological and environmental factors. While there is no generally agreed upon definition of personality, most theories focus on motivation and psychological interactions with one's environment. Number three, hallucinogens, which affect sensation, thinking, and emotion of takers, are also called A, pep pills, B, barbiturates, C, psychedelics, or D, sedatives. So psychedelics is the answer here. Barbiturates are depressants, so they may induce mild sedation. Sedatives have a calming effect, and this can include benzodiazepines. Pep pills are stimulants. Meanwhile, psychedelics are hallucinogens. So these include psilocybin mushrooms, acid, mescaline, and other drugs. Number four, research on the reinforcing effects of drive induction and reduction suggests that I didn't discuss this earlier, but you just have to, based on context clues, A, neither are reinforcing. B, both may be reinforcing. C, drive reduction is necessary for reinforcement. Or D, drive induction is necessary for reinforcement. So The drive induction theory states that some behaviors create new needs or drives rather than just reducing existing ones. So if you drink coffee, it might actually create a craving for more coffee later. The behavior induces or creates a new drive. So why is this reinforcing? It's because the behavior feels rewarding because it leads to new stimulation or desires, keeping you engaged. For the drive reduction theory, uh, the idea here is we behave to reduce uncomfortable drives. So once the need is satisfied, the unpleasant feeling goes away. So, for example, you feel hungry, so you feel the drive, you eat food, the hunger or the drive goes away, so you feel satisfied. So, why is this reinforcing? The relief from discomfort is rewarding, so it makes you more likely to repeat the behavior. So, reinforcing effects of drive induction and reduction suggests that both may be reinforcing. So induction and reduction can both reinforce behaviors. Number 5, research on alcohol consumption has found that a few drinks produce depression. B, alcohol can remove fear in animals. C, alcoholics feel more pain after they consume a few drinks. Or D, alcoholism is most characteristic of individuals who feel they have control over their lives. Okay, so the answer is actually B. So alcohol is both a depressant and a stimulant, but it doesn't produce depression. It produces a depressed state in your brain. Now, a depressed state doesn't mean you feel bad. It just means that you feel numb. Okay, so that's what depressants do. They feel uh, they feel calming. So alcohol reduces negative emotions. So this is why people drink alcohol. People generally tend to drink alcohol in order to have fun. And being drunk makes them feel happy and spirited. Again, the stimulant aspect of alcohol, and drinking alcohol with friends can be a fun experience. If people are nervous in social situations, drinking helps them relax. So that's the depressant aspect of alcohol and have more fun.